Welcome to the Showroom Spotlight, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we dive into the adrenaline-pumping world of the Toyota GT3, a machine that redefines motorsport innovation. Designed to dominate on the track while showcasing Toyota's cutting-edge engineering, the GT3 is more than just a car. It's a statement of racing pedigree. Design. Crafted for aerodynamic supremacy, the Toyota GT3 embodies aggressive styling and functionality. Its low-slung silhouette, extended front splitter, and rear diffuser maximize aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring unparalleled downforce. Every curve and vent is precision-engineered for optimal performance. Toyota has blended aesthetics with purpose, creating a design that's both breathtaking and race-ready. Performance. Power meets precision. Under the hood, the GT3 boasts a high-performance engine fine-tuned for endurance racing. Paired with advanced lightweight materials and a finely calibrated suspension system, it offers unmatched handling at high speeds. The car's weight distribution and cutting-edge drivetrain technology ensure precise control in the most demanding conditions. Innovation. Racing meets sustainability. The GT3 isn't just about speed, it's about the future of motorsports. Toyota integrates advanced hybrid technologies to push the boundaries of performance while maintaining a commitment to sustainability. This bold move underscores Toyota's vision of combining eco-conscious engineering with racing excellence. Conclusion: a game-changer in motorsport. The Toyota GT3 is more than a car. It's a testament to Toyota's dedication to pushing the limits of technology, design, and sustainability. Whether you're a motorsport enthusiast or an admirer of automotive innovation, the GT3 promises to inspire. Thank you for tuning into the Showroom Spotlight. Be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting vehicles. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast.